Hiya. Lovely to see you.
And you do. Oh, hello GoPro.
I love that you've just said hi. Right, we're this way. I love that you're growing your hair out.
Yeah, it's a journey.
Welcome back to another video. I'm here with Eleyshir.
Hey!
We are going to be shooting. What are we going to be shooting?
Cool shit. Some cool shit. As always, when it's with you, let's be honest.
We're basically going to be doing a bit of a trek to get to some cool spots. And there's a spot that we're going to first, in which you basically get a really nice view of St Helier here in Jersey. Yeah, we're going to be shooting some cool portraits.
Giving parkour.
It's giving parkour, yeah. Oh, look, there's even a bit there, so you can go on that bit. Yeah, you made that look really easy.
Parkour.
Wait until you see, when you go up there, you're going to be mesmerised.
Oh my fucking god.
So sick, isn't it? The views are unreal though, aren't they?
This is insane.
Yeah, it's one of my favourite spots, I think, in Jersey.
Definitely.
We're here, guys. Oh, exactly, yeah. Alright. Did you see the... Right, I'm going to get a couple of shots just because the light is quite nice here. Even just the way you're there, yeah, I really like the way you're just looking down. I was like praying that the weather was going to be nice as well.
Yeah, I was hoping it wasn't just going to turn.
Nah.
As soon as we finish work.
I was like, if you turn, then I'm gonna not be happy. Beautiful. Let me just have a little look. Can you like somehow just use this and just to, yeah, that's nice, yeah. Yeah, nice. Maybe if you kind of like, yeah, reach out, give us a little bit of a posy one, yeah, that's nice. Beautiful. Just get a bit of landscaping. Yeah, nice. You put like your right leg like out, like so you're doing the exact same thing, but bring it a little bit more towards me. Yeah, that's it, nice. Yeah, it just looks a little bit less
Awkward and
yeah. Yeah, nice. Don't obviously like lean on it, but like you can kind of like give the illusion that you're kind of like.
My feet, don't worry.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's nice. That's good. Maybe look away from the camera whilst doing that. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I love that. Just come a little bit closer. Can you do more like a kind of like a lean back with your head, like kind of like really accentuates the neck?
The neck. The whole neck.
Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. And maybe look to your left, so it's like a kind of like, yeah, that's it, that's good. Nice, maybe extend that left arm. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, nice. I know it's a bit like really awkward, but it's like all kind of back, so you're kind of like leaning. Like this? Yeah, but you're exactly like on the back of it, like that.
More here?
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's good. Maybe like reach out towards behind you. Yeah, that's good.
Oh wow, the world's upside down.
If you go there again, I'm just going to get a little bit of a wider shot from here. Yeah, that's nice. That's so nice. Yeah, maybe drop that left hand onto the railing. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's good. That's really nice. Love that.
Oh, they look sick.
Might just get some more like close-up shots. Just get a nice portrait of you. Yeah, do that, that's cool. Come a bit closer. Yeah, nice. Nice. Okay, I want to get some really cool wide shots. But I kind of want you to be more kind of like, everything's kind of wide and you're kind of like, like kind of leaning like kind of, yeah, but like big you're going to be cut. Yeah, big shapes. I might actually go stand there. Or even actually just at the top of the staircase there, yeah. Yeah, even just like that's really cool. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, exactly the same as what you just did before was great. Nice. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Nice. Right, relax. Oh my god, that sun.
I know, it's crazy, right?
Oh, that's so cool. Right, I'm thinking we head down. There's a, you know, the underpass.
Yeah.
I want to go to the underpass and go like where the traffic's kind of going.
Both.
Yeah, both
yeah.
like ways, and then you were kind of like doing some leaning over shots there
Okay,
and kind of like
sweet.
reaching out and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
like that. Probably makes more sense for us to go that side because then people aren't looking at the light.
That's true.
People are going to look and then probably crash.
That's very, very
We'll get less looks then, that's fine.
I'll shoot someone.
Nice. We've got loads of traffic coming now. Yeah, nice. When there's like loads of traffic, it like fills up the frame a little bit. We'll come in a little bit closer. Are we getting some weird looks?
Slightly, but not as many as I'm expecting actually.
That's good. Oh yeah, it looks so nice now. Nice. Cool.
Sweet. Oh damn, this looks sick, dude. Why does Jersey not feel like Jersey today? What's
I
in the
know.
air?
Okay, cool. We've got a load of traffic coming now. So yeah, just leaning and like arms, like loads of arms. That's it. That's good. Yeah, love that. Sick. Yeah, nice. That's good. Reach out behind you. Yeah, that's good. Love that. That's perfect. Nice. To like the ceiling and then just kind of change like, yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, buzzing. Sick. It's like the lights in the back as well that make it look so like cinematic.
She's just a small town girl. Oh, I love these, dude.
Yeah, it's quite bright as well. We can use this. Yeah, we can use this. Because that's like, this would light you up from the side, and then you've got like these bits in the back.
Oh, I didn't realise it did that.
I have to be honest, I thought there was someone in there then, but it was actually just our reflections. Just go slightly to your left. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. Right, thank you, Eleyshir.
Thank you, Cal.
Smashed it.
Love it.
Thank you so much for being my model for the evening. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Say hi to Eleyshir.
Oh, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Follow for more fashion and portrait photography content.
There'll definitely be some of that,
Yeah,
for sure.
100%.
Sweet. Bye-bye.
Bye.